Hello and welcome to our quick guide on the difference between though and although. These two words also may seem similar, but they have distinct uses. So let's dive right in. Now though is used to indicate an unexpected contrast in a sentence. It's like a surprise twist in your statement. For example, I am tired but I will keep working though. Here though signals that something unexpected or surprising is happening despite being tired. Now let's see although. Although is used to introduce a contrast without using but. It prepares the reader or listener for something unexpected. For example, although it's raining, I will go for a walk. In this case, although sets up the contrast that you are going for a walk despite the rain. Now here's a simple rule of thumb. If you want to add a surprise or twist, use though, and if you want to set up a contrast, use although. In conclusion, though and although are two small words with specific purpose. Use though for surprises and although for contrast. It's that simple, right? So if you found this explanation helpful, please like and share this video to help others grasp this concept. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.